many sounds are there in English? Okay, let's try to understand how many sounds are there in English. Generally, people think there are 26 letters, so sounds are also same. It's not true. The truth is there are 26 letters, but these 26 letters will give you 44 sounds. This is one of the biggest problem when you learn English language, especially English pronunciation. So 26 letters, but there are 44 sounds. Okay, so when somebody asks you how many sounds are there in English, you have to say 44 sounds. But most of my students always say just 26 sounds. 26 sounds because there are 26 letters. At the same time, so we can ask how many vowel sounds are there. Okay, so vowel sound letters are 5 actually. Vowels are 5. So they think A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U. So these are sounds. No. Vowel sounds are 20. Consonant sounds are 24. Remember this. Okay. So the question is, how many sounds are there in English? 24. But the letters are 26 only. How many vowels are there? Not 5 vowel sounds. 5 letters, but sounds are 20. So you can classify these vowels as monophthongs, so monophthongs are 12, and at the same time you can say diphthongs. Diphthongs are 8, total 20. So consonants are 24. These consonants also you can classify as voiceless and voiced. So voiceless sounds are 9, voiced sounds are 15. Okay, this is all about sounds of English. So in the next video we will try to understand what is voiceless and what is voiced. Okay, did you get the question? Did you get the answer for this question? Sounds in English. How many sounds are there in English? 44 sounds. Don't mislead by this number. How many vowel sounds are there? 20. So vowel letters are 5. Okay, thank you.